So this is a Doctor Squishy, and to make this, it's super simple and easy. My son really likes doing these. They're easy to do. You're just gonna, this is everything you're gonna get with it. The pump, you're gonna get 4 of the balloons. One's already on here. And then these are little clips. And then here's another clip. This is the plunge or stopper. And then I filled up a little bit of water in this. This does not come with, but then you'll also get a bag of confetti. And so these are the instruction manuals. Very easy to follow and to do. So your first step, what you're gonna do is you put a balloon inside here. So you're just gonna twist this topper off here, and then you put this on, twist it a little bit. You're gonna put a balloon in here, and then you take the top of the little balloon, this part, and you're gonna spread it over the top here. Once you do that, you're gonna add in your water, confetti, or you can add in anything as long as it's not sharp. Just add that right in there. And then you will put the plunger or the stopper in it. You're gonna put it in just like this. So we inflated it with the pump here, and then once we got the size we want, all you do is, I was covering it with my hand in between adding stuff, and then push the stopper in place like this, and then you take the neck around here and just flip it up so it's now covered in it. You place one of the small clips into the big clip tool, and then you're just gonna lift this up like that, and you're gonna clip it right there. And then this is the greenish turquoise-ish clip that we picked, and that will stay in place to seal it. So then once you twisted it, you're gonna clamp it, you're gonna take off the stopper, you lift up the clear dome, and here you have it. And the clip does stay on here really good. I have been squeezing it now for a few minutes, testing it out, making sure it stays and that no water leaks from it. And I don't see anything. Nothing is leaking out of it.